First time I failed. What do I do? It's not letting me.
Okay, YouTube, let's go. This is hard. I'm on a hard level. What the heck? Come on.
Guys, we're having some technical difficulties. It's not letting me do anything.
No, Daniel's having problems. Austin, can you turn this down, please? Please. Crap, this part's hard.
You ever died on it? Dude, what the heck? It doesn't let you...
You have to, like, rejoin, maybe? Technical difficulties with Dino. Hopefully you can rejoin, actually, again. Stage 118 is hard. It pushes you side to side or something. Let me just tell you, it's hard, okay? I just can't seem to pass it. It's hard. Okay, I'm stupid. What did I just try to do? Yeah, I mean, like, half the time I don't even touch it, and it's like, yeah, you did. That's a giant, that's a real, that noob looks mean. Come on! It will take, even if it takes 100 years, I will complete this. Oh my god! Stage 1, are you in stage 10? Go! Even you try this level, Austin. You can't even do it.
I can.
You can't do it in one try.
Really?
Yeah. You can try. Once you get over here. No, I don't.
If we go that far. Did you set the timer?
Yes. It's impossible.
Dude, you almost killed me. I would have freaking killed you.
Ah!
Cheats.
Wait, I think I might have just found something. You can go slow. I found the trick.
No! I haven't died in like 15 stages.
Crap, I almost made it.
Guys, I almost died. This will be a
yes,
random
I made
fun.
it. I made it. I made it. Crap.
But oh god, this one's gonna be impossible.
I got to stage 120. Just walking now. The heck? Oh my god! The rumbling! The heck was that?
I'm on stage 30.
Oh my god, I get.
I'm on stage 32.
I get it. You can't. Bruh, this is stupid. I get it. You see.
Guys, oh my god.
This is weird.
What? How do you beat this? Beat this one first try.
Yeah, I made that. You just have to go side to side.
Fudge. That was
Boop, boop, boop.
I wish I had like a speed coil or something, or like a gravity coil.
Boop.
I wish I had a gravity coil or something.
That'd probably be a game pass even if there was one.
Fudge, why does my guy just walk off the jump? Why though?
Yeah, these things are real greasy. Aha, this is how you describe
They're all
these.
lubed up. In case you guys, you dirty guys out there.
Blues. Yellow. Yep, yellow. Blue again, maybe? Yep, blue again.
Okay.
Here we go. Checkpoint. Okay, I got the checkpoint. I'm on stage 27. I'm climbing up a giant noob.
Fudge.
Dude, I'm climbing up a giant noob. Hi, noob. Are you scared?
What do you do on this thing?
Oh, look. That's what you have to do.
Fudge.
I'm on stage 130.
130? I'm on stage 45.
I got a badge for it. That's what I like. Every 10 stages, you get a badge. It just makes your guy seem more pro. You're like, oh my god.
Oh my god, he has like 800 badges. Well, like, would you like to buy a skip?
What?
No. It asked me if I wanted to buy a skip because
yeah.
I failed like 3 times.
It asked me that one.
Would you like to buy a skip? Was
Yeah, I don't
going
like
the
this.
wrong way?
Okay,
I've been going the wrong way the whole time.
It's been getting really thin. I
Guys,
made it. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I made this, guys. Boop. Come on, get this crimson and the. I don't. But doesn't matter. I can.
No!
I get a second chance. Go. Oh my god, that jump's like impossible.
No, it's not.
Well, it's not impossible, but it's hard. Finally, I made it. Okay. At that stage,
It's yellow.
that was
cheats.
That was easy. What?
It's yellow again.
Crap. I try to do shortcuts so I don't waste much time.
What? I did the cheat.
What cheat?
I did the cheat where it's yellow, yellow, blue. Yep, anyway. It was blue. Why'd you fail me?
God, I tried to jump that. But the... Wow, the fails are happening to me.
Guys,
I got
help.
I got the
I need
fails.
moral support in the comments.
No, I'm just doing this thing normal. I somehow can't.
What the heck do you do here?
What?
Fudge a monkey's butt.
What in the world did you just say?
I said fudge a monkey's butt. Do you not know what that means?
Yeah, I know what it means. And it's bad.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, fudge a monkey's butt. Fudge is just a thing that kids can say, so they don't say the bad word. Yeah, and it doesn't sound good.
Fudge a monkey.
Oh, that sounds pretty bad too.
Fudge a monkey's butthole.
That sounds worse. It's like the worst I've ever heard. Yay, I made it.
I touched the...
Oh my goodness, you have to
But
bounce.
my dead body touched the thing. Yes, it worked.
Wait, your dead body touched it and you made it?
How do you do this? How do you do this?
Made that?
Fudge a monkey!
What the heck?
I'm slapping booty, guys. What?
I'm over here. I don't know what I'm doing.
Guys. That was really hard.
Oh,
Guys.
I'm stage 140.
No!
It's 841. I'm literally just walking on sunshine. That was easy.
I'm a beast. I'm obese.
You're
There's
obese?
an apple. What happens if you jump on the apple?
Oh my god.
I jumped on the apple. What do I do?
No. What?
Fudge a monkey's
It
butt.
flung me. That's not fair.
Fudge a monkey's butthole.
What the heck are you saying?
I said fudge a monkey's butthole. You know what I said.
I don't know what
Fudge a monkey's butthole.
Dude, so gross.
Sorry guys, but that's just what we have to do. When you rage,
What?
just
The
say,
last jump.
Are you guys serious?
Did you just fall? Okay, that was easy. Easier. Guava juice. That was.
I killed myself. Not purposefully.
Wait, did I just go?
Touch it, but
I'm stupid.
what do I do? Guys, what do I do?
Just on that go. Yes, I went backwards. Crap. I had to have gone back.
Fudge a monkey's butthole.
Now I'm here. Dad, is that you? What?
Fudge a monkey's butthole.
Will you just stop saying fudge a monkey's butthole?
I'm sorry.
Sounds bad.
I'm
No
sorry.
one wants to hear it.
Except the subscribers.
No, not even the subscribers would want to hear that.
Yeah, but I'm a famous.
No, you aren't. You're not famous at
Guys,
all.
we're very far from famous.
We're very far, and I mean very. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch no crap.
Flubber. Flubber flushing toilets.
Flubber flushing toilets. Okay, this is.
That's what I said. Flubber flushing toilets.
Okay, I have a very long climb.
Flubber flushing toilets.
That's better. But okay. I have a very long climb.
Guys, oh my God. Flubber.
Once I get to stage 150, I think I'm gonna end the video, guys.
Flubber flushing toilets.
Flubber flushing.
Flubber flushing toilets.
What the heck?
Yes, jerk!
Pushed me. I freaking hate you now.
Okay.
Flubber flushing toilets. Come on. Thank you, Jesus.
Okay,
Flubber.
guys, I think we're gonna end the episode here. Okay,
Alright, guys. We're gonna end the episode here.
I got stage 150.
I hope you enjoyed the random fun episode.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.